Hi everybody, welcome back to Love What You Eat Family Style Cooking Show. Today, Ma, what are we making for the viewers?
Biancomangiare.
And we'll show you just how to make this with my mom coming up next
On Love What You Eat.
Okay, so over stovetop, this was done. It was prepped over here first because we made a slurry, which was just a mixture of a little bit of cornstarch with a bit of the milk that was room temperature. We whisked that until it was no lumps, and that just makes our slurry, which is what we end up pouring into the rest of the mixture that was over stovetop. So it's basically a combination of milk, cornstarch, sugar, and we have the extract of choice. You can use lemon, we chose
almond.
You can use lemon. We put the lemon rinds, lemon, vanilla extract work well together. Also lemon and amaretti flavored, almond flavored, exactly.
Right.
So the base is there. You choose the flavors that you would like. And then you're cooking this over medium. You don't want to go too quick. You want this to thicken up slowly on its own, about 10-15 minutes of continuous whisking. And then we put them in these cute little molds. You can put them in molds or ramekins. And once it is thick enough, as you saw what my mom showing you with the whisk, you would pour them straight in here. These are non-stick molds. We didn't treat the molds in any way whatsoever. You do want to make sure that these set properly. So in the fridge for at least minimum 4 hours, but overnight always best for a good chill. And then afterwards you'll see us release them by flipping it over on a disc. You can give it a good tap. You want to hear that suction release. And then once you hear that suction release, you're good to go and pull it up. So I usually either hold the ramekin with the plate and give it a shake like that, or you give it a good couple of firms, but you're really trying to listen to that plop, that suction release, and then they unmold perfectly fine, and we'll show you once they have been set up. So in the fridge they go. We're gonna cover it with plastic wrap because we don't want any film to form.
That's right.
And we're gonna show you guys the end result very soon.
Very soon. I prepared some yesterday.
There you go. So see
you
you
don't
at the
have to
taste
wait for the
testing.
soup, right?
I know, that's it. The beauty of TV magic. And like good TV magic, my mom already had 4 that were chilled overnight, so we're able to taste it and show you on camera. But as mentioned, so these very jigglers, as you can see.
Without using any gelatin, and it's the cornstarch that gives it that nice, like, firm texture.
Exactly, but it's so beautiful in these little molds. As said, we didn't treat the molds at all. They were non-stick. Just want to toss it over on a plate and give it a good shake and a firm tap until you hear that suction release. And then you can garnish it as you wish. We just put a few slivered almonds because we made it amaretti flavored. You can put some lemon zest, lemon rind. Leave it simple.
Drizzle of chocolate or caramel over it.
Yeah, honestly, so beautiful.
Yeah. You can also make this in a big mold and have to slice it.
Yeah. So you saw in the close-up, but I'll show you again. It holds together. It is loose, but it still holds together. It's like a thick set type of between the cross between a pudding and a gelatin.
It looks like a panna cotta, but it's
Yes.
really not a panna cotta, but it really resembles it.
I already tasted it. It is
Silky
absolutely
smooth.
delicious.
It
That's
is.
it. Silky smooth. Taste it one more time.
Favorite?
The flavor is beautiful. It's not too overpowering with the almonds.
It just melts in your mouth.
It is the perfect hint of creaminess,
Yeah.
light flavor, and that vanilla, sorry. That
Almond.
little
We
hint
put
of,
almond.
the little hint of lemon with the almond. It's so good.
Yeah. Really delicious.
Beautiful.
Give this one a try. It's so simple and easy to make. Like, you can make it like in under 10 minutes, and then it just has to set overnight.
Yeah, and you impress your guests with different flavors or fun different molds, just decorative, but it's really something that's like a little showstopper in the sense where if you're hosting, it's really nice to have. And the kids will love it too. Super delicious. Thank you for tuning in. Thanks for my mom for showing us this recipe. So you can find this recipe on our website at www.lovewhatyoeat.net, where you will be able to see the photo step-by-step directions along with all the descriptions and the ingredients, etc. Measurements, that's right, to follow it to the T or let it inspire you to make your own. Thank you so much for tuning in. New episodes uploaded every Sunday, and until then, we wish you a happy weekend. Thanks for tuning in, and as always, continue to
love what you eat.
Bye for now.
Bye-bye.
I'm finishing this. You're okay.
Yeah.
One more to finish.
I'll give this.